Hey, in this video, I will show you how to pin and unpin locations in 2023. It's actually something very simple, but the issue is when you pin something on your Apple Maps, if you want to save it, for example, you like this place, but you also like this place, whenever you click the new place, the old one disappears. So I'll show you how to fix that. So first, slap the like button. The second thing you want to do is after you select a pin, for example, this location right here, you want to click on the more button at the bottom. From here, you want to click to add to guides, new guide, and let's say test, right? And from here, when you click test, you actually have it in your list. If you want to remove it, it's also not going to be, for example, hey, it's not going to be hard to remove it. All you need to do is you need to go here and click delete. So this is how you pin and unpin locations. If you still have any questions, comment them in the comment section down below. Try to help you out. Hit the like button if I did help you out and subscribe. See you next one. Bye.